You're under arrest. Don't run. Don't. Nope. Nope. Do not run. Put your hands behind your back.
On December 30, 2024, in Burlington, Vermont, police officer on patrol observed a suspect, identified as 35-year-old Aaron Montgomery, who was wanted on an active warrant. The officer approached Montgomery and informed him he was under arrest. Montgomery began to sprint away and the officer pursued.
Aaron, you're under arrest. Don't run. Don't. Nope. Nope. Do not run. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. On the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
I will!
400 food shelf Aaron Montgomery fighting one.
Dude, I just gotta go take a shit first.
Put your hands behind your back now.
Dude, stop!
Do this!
Okay!
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop, bro! Dude!
Do not reach for anything. Do not reach. Do not reach.
Mommy, stop fighting!
Drop it.
Nigga!
Drop it. Do it now.
Fighting, Monty!
Let go of it!
Drop it.
Let go!
No.
Ah.
During the encounter, there was a struggle, during which Montgomery produced a needle. As other officers arrived on scene, the officers were able to place Montgomery into handcuffs.
Drop the needle. Drop it now.
Get off my fucking arms!
Drop the needle.
Get off me, dude!
Drop the needle!
Roll on your stomach.
Dude, just let me up! Just let me up, dude, and I'll get up! Just let me up!
Stomach. Do it now.
Dude, just let me up and I'll put my
Roll
hands!
onto your stomach. Do it now.
Dude! I'm telling you, just let me up and I'll put my hands down! Just let me get
Roll
up!
onto your stomach. No.
Just let me get the fuck up, dude! And I'll put my hands behind my back! Just let me get up! Dude!
Roll onto your stomach.
I can't fucking roll into my fucking stomach!
Listen to what I'm saying.
Dude, just let me up
Listen
and I'll
to
put
what
my
I'm
hands
saying.
behind my back! Dude!
Listen to what I'm saying.
Dude, I'm
gonna roll you on your side.
Dude!
I'm gonna roll you on your side.
Fucking damn! Ah,
Put your hands behind your back.
dude!
Put your hand behind your back.
Motherfucker, dude, stop!
Do it now.
Look at this. Bro, you don't have to be like that. Just pick me up and I'll go fucking quietly. Just pick me the fuck up, dude. You fucking idiot, dude. Oh!
Speaker, so we tried to stab you with a needle.
Ah!
I'm gonna roll him onto his side. Just watch the uncap behind you.
Tell me, get the fuck up!
Roll him onto his side. Just watch the uncap behind
Just tell me, get the fuck up, dude.
You need to calm down right now. That's what you need to do first.
Why don't you tap out?
That's all I fucking asked in the beginning is just to fucking get me up on my feet and I'll put my hands behind my
Take a
fucking
breath.
back.
Take a see that type of behavior right there is exactly why we're doing what we're doing. Do you
Yeah,
understand
well, fucking A.
that? Stop resisting. Stop
being a
kicking against
fucking cunt,
officers.
dude.
While being taken into custody, Montgomery continued to resist by acting aggressively toward the officers. Montgomery was taken into custody.
Stop being a fucking cunt!
Okay, we're gonna be here as long as you need to be here. Don't try and bite me.
You motherfucker, bro. Just stand me the fuck up, dude.
You need to calm down. You need to take a breath, and you need to listen to what we're telling you.
Just stand me the
No,
fuck
that's not
up,
how this
bro.
works.
Dude, you fucking break my fucking hand, dude, I'm gonna fucking
I'm not
snap.
even putting pressure on you.
Ah, dude, I'm not talking about you, you fucking idiot.
I'm the only one touching your hand.
Yeah, you weren't.
Thank you.
Get the fuck off me.
Okay, you need to relax. We're not moving you until you relax and are
Bro,
compliant
then
with
I'm not
us.
gonna fucking relax and be
Okay,
fucking
then we're gonna
compliant.
stay here for a minute.
Dude, get the fuck off me, bro.
You need to take a breath.
Bro, just let me the fuck up and I'll go.
Here's what's happening. You're fighting with this officer.
I
You're
know,
kicking your feet
dude.
against him.
I'm just telling you to let me up, dude,
And
and I'll
I'm
go
telling you
fucking
how
home.
how we're gonna let you up. Okay?
You
need to take a
fucking
break.
cunt.
Dude, stop.
Dude, that's all I fucking ask is you to fucking let me up, dude. That's all I ask.
Okay, You need to calm down.
That's all I ask is you to let me up,
Once,
and I'll go calm him.
okay. Once you're calm with us, then we'll start moving you.
Dude, just let me the fuck up.
Are you ready to be sat up?
Yes, sir.
Are you gonna fight with us?
I don't fucking know.
See, when you say stuff like that, that makes us hesitant to let you up.
Well, then fucking just get me up then.
Yep.
Dude, you know, I'm not gonna spit again, you fucking asshole.
Well, you're still getting the hood.
No, stop.
Stop fighting or it's gonna continue.
Dude, fucking stop. I can't breathe with that thing.
Okay. Well, here's what we would like to do. We'd like to get you in a position where you can breathe, but you need to stop fighting with
Fucking
us.
stop. Dude, get the fuck off.
No, the net's staying on.
I'm not spitting on you or anything, dog.
You already
Stop
spat on
pushing
me.
against me right now.
Dude, well, sit me the fuck up, bro.
You need to calm down first.
Sit me
You
up.
need to calm down. Take a breath. Take a breath.
You motherfucker.
Take a breath. Stop.
Hey, I'm gonna let go. If you kick me, you're going back to this position. Do you understand
My
me?
fucking legs, you fucking
All right. Okay. Roll up to your butt. Roll up to your butt. Stand up.
Stop!
Robert and Mel for you, alright, bud?
Stop!
Easy. Easy. Watch out, watch out. When we get to the car, we'll put the shackles on it real quick. Okay. Get close.
Like I said, we stood you up. You remain calm, right?
I'll remain calm and keep you one fucking.
Careful, don't get kicked, okay?
Dude, stop, bro.
Hey! Stop fucking doing it! Okay, I love you! Open the fucking car! Open the fucking door! Put the car! Go right back inside, you're good. We don't need your help, go ahead. I want to wait for you.
All right. Okay.
Take a breath. Yep, take a breath.
Hold it. Careful. Where's the needle?
I'm sorry, we're past that right now,
Are
okay?
these locked?
We can talk about it
these?
later, but not right now. Okay, then you're not getting one at all. It's that simple.
Yep, that's good.
Based on you just fighting with officers, you're not going to get a cigarette right now, okay? Later, at a later time when you were calm, we can talk about it.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready.
Take a step back,
Fucking
okay?
date, bro.
Let me know when you guys are ready. I'll put these on.
Fucking tight, bro. Relax. Dude, I'm not gonna do anything. Stop, bro.
Put your foot out where it
Dude, I'm
was.
trying to be comfortable, dude.
And I understand that, but it's
What?
not.
No, dude.
You good? All right.
All right, fucking gonna be.
Yeah, you put the.
My fucking leg is fucking faggot, dude.
Key? Pause the key.
I killed her Leatherman, though, when I was running there.
Dude, there's a fucking big hole in my fucking leg, dude. I'm fucking telling you now. I got the shackle on it, though.
Yo, you're bad, so you think you're fucking better than anybody else.
All right. We good?
Relax, so I can just get this out, will you? I'm not gonna spit on you.
Keep that on for now. We'll
No,
wait. We'll wait till we get back
It's in
to
my
it.
fucking mouth, bro. I'm trying to fucking spit it out on the ground.
We're good with the upper half. I haven't got
There you go.
We got this. We just.
There's something in his left. Oh, the hoodie? I didn't get the hoodie yet pocket either.
Good there? Good with the pants?
Can I pull my pants up? Can I pull them up, please?
We'll pull them up for you, big guy.
Please don't do that to the other leg, dude.
What's the leg? Is this the one that hurts?
No, the other one, dude.
Okay, I'm doing it to this leg. I didn't.
Okay,
No sores on this one, right?
No.
Okay. All right, I'm good on my side. We good on that side?
I do. Hey, please give me one fucking bag of a cigarette now.
Not right now.
Come on, bro.
Not
You're
right
not gonna fucking.
Go ahead and take a seat in this cruiser.
Hang on.
Lean back for me.
No, I don't want that on.
Nope, you have to keep it on,
No,
man.
I'm not putting it on, dude.
Listen.
Leave it alone.
Go to the other side, please.
Just leave it
The
alone.
seatbelt's
please.
staying on.
No, bro, why?
If you're in a car, you're getting a seatbelt.
Dude, I don't want the fucking
It doesn't
seatbelt on.
matter. It's
I'm
not your
gonna unbuckle
choice.
it.
He was charged for aggravated assault, resisting arrest, assault on a law enforcement officer, and disorderly conduct.